Well, howdy there, guys. Francis here with the Texas Roadrunner channel. As you can see, I'm still working on another video, and this is another one of those videos that I did content a long time ago. This was from my Highway 90 Texas Hill Country trip, and this is Cascade Caverns. I showed you a little bit in the road trip, but I just wanted to focus in on a little bit more of it. Beginning of the tour, I guess I showed some of the facilities around, topside, and then we go into the cave, and then at the end of the cave, it's a one-way in, one-way out, and at the very end is the Cascade waterfalls, which is what it's named for. So, and then I show a few more video coming out of the cave and that type of thing. I hope you enjoy. Okay, let's head on in. First thing you'll notice is this big dinosaur that greets us. This is just a pan view of the facility. Yep, there's restrooms there for the campers and the RVers. And of course the gift shop, and also where you get your tickets. A bunch of deadbeats over there. Yeah, this was featured in a film a long time ago, Fatherhood. I never saw the movie. And here's the RV area, and there are a few park trails to hike, plus some picnic areas. So let's go on into the gift shop, get our tickets, and they had all kinds of literature of all the Texas showcase. So I grabbed a bunch. And it's the usual stuff, lots of rocks, trinkets. I thought I wanted a t-shirt, but I settled on a refrigerator magnet. And just to the left of this building, I don't know what kind of building it is where we met up and started our little hike to the cave. Okay, I won't flash the bats. And this is the original ticket house where you bought your tickets. Here's kind of a panoramic view of the trail that we're going to hike to get to the cave. Moving on. And this is a hole in the ground where they used to lower people in this bucket that you're about to see into the ground. There's that bucket. Of course, they did that a long time ago. Interesting plant. Is that a century plant or an agave? I can't remember. There's the cave. And there's the light. We won't be seeing that for a while. Goodbye, outdoors. And we continue to make our descent. They had a nice little pool of water. They had several underground cave pools. I think this is a bunch of fossils. And at one time we were told that this was also a cascade, but it dried up.
Here's another cave pool. Apparently there's some albino newts in there or something. And we continue. There's some interesting formations there. Well, that's pretty cool. Makings of a stalagmite. I think this is flowstone. More stalagmites. Looks like a beehive. Yeah, I guess that's that pool again. I guess I put it in there twice by accident. Those are some soda straws. As you can see, they almost look like little sodas up close. Soda straws up close. And those domes up in the ceiling were made when this was an underground river. The water would swirl around and cut out those domes. So we're getting close to the end. This is the waterfall, or the cascade. It's kind of tough to see, but I get some better video of it later. You can obviously hear it. There, now you can see it. I'm trying to find the source. Up there somewhere. Now we're making our way back out of the cave now. So some of these photos may be a repeat, but it may be at a different angle. Maybe they'll meet someday and make a column. This was interesting. This wall just glittered. And that's the end of our tour.
Well folks, I hope you enjoyed that video on Cascade Caverns. If you're ever in the hill country, especially in the Boerne area, you know, check it out. It wasn't the greatest cave, but you know, its name to fame is the waterfall, okay? It's kind of like Ruby Falls over there in Tennessee. I do apologize for some of the lighting. We were all given flashlights. There was some artificial lighting in there, but it wasn't all that great. So, you know guys, be safe out there. And until next time, take care.
I'm Francis Kiefel, and I approved this video.